So hi guys, welcome to Tech School. Today we are going to create another video which is about how to create a Scratch project. So you haven't know what is Scratch? Scratch is a website which we can create games and create more other stuff, and you can understand this all blocks and create. um, so today we are going to create a game which is a money collector game. Maybe the coins will be falling from up, this box will be catching them. So not further ado, so let's start. So to create, first you need to create a sprite. So this is my sprite. First you create a box like this, and next create a white color circle for the box for the upper part. So now let's start. First go to events, when flag clicked, go to forever loop, go to controls and grab a forever loop, and also go and grab an if loop, and go to sensing and key pressed right arrow, go to motions right now, and change x by 5, and we need to also do same to left arrow. So let's duplicate this one. Oops. After duplicating, keep this in the forever loop and take left arrow and do minus 5. Hit on enter. After that, what you need to do is click on the green flag, and now let's test. Oh sorry guys, I mistakenly added for the circle. So I'll duplicate that and keep near the box and take this out from the circle, and now click on the green flag. Oopsie, why it is moving up to down? Oh sorry, I changed it Y by to change by X. It's X is the top, sorry. So 5, duplicate that and keep there, and do minus 5. And when I click on green flag, I'm moving on left, right. As you can see, my box is moving right now. So quickly, first set the circle near the box. Is the how much position do you want set it? Of that, go to events, when flag clicked, go to controls, a forever loop, and then go to motion and go to sprite 1. So doing that, as you can see, I'm able to move, but the circle is it's waiting for some time, and that time moving. So what we can do is go to the box and we'll broadcast a message, broadcast a new message, which is go to circle. Hit on enter and go to the circle and click on when I receive the broadcast. Go to motion and go to sprite 1. So doing that will not lag right now. As you can see, it's going smoothly. So when I click on the green flag, I want to keep this box at the middle. So doing that, go to the box, go to motion, and you need to set the box where you want to go to middle, and grab the go to and keep down of the when I click green flag. Oh, the circle is back of the box. So doing that, go to circle and go to looks, go down and grab go to front 99 layers, which is so much front. So that green flag, as you can see, the circle is at the middle. So now we need to create our coin. So create a new sprite, maximize it, take a yellow color, yellow, I need to find a yellowish color. Yeah, I got yellow color. And you want the coin to be that big? No, to decrease the size more, and center it. I need to decrease the size more, center it. Yeah, like that. And grab the text tool and click on the coin. With Control, Shift, and forward, you will get a rupee symbol. Sorry, yeah, a rupee symbol, and place that at the middle. Center it there. Yeah, this is our coin. So now go to codes. Now we want to move this coin up to down. So doing that, go to events, well flag clicked. First we will create a variable which is score. When it touches the white box, it'll move, which the score will be increased. So go to variables and make a variable that is score. Hit an enter. First we need to click on set score to 0 and go to motion and go to random position, and again go to motion, set y to 180. After that, go to controls, grab and forever loop. We need to change the score by 1. Oh, we'll do that later. So go to motions, change your y by let's -5 maybe. Yeah, -5, and go to for controls, grab an F loop, and in if loop go to operations and grab more than symbol and do this into -170, and go to motions and the Y position, keep there, and take the operation and keep it that. After that, go to motions. After going to motion, grab go to random position after grabbing that, so again go to motion and set y to 180 so that the coin is there, so upper part that the player cannot see that, and grab another F loop and go to sensing and grab touching loop, touching block and sprite 1, and now we'll set the score. So go to change score, so we'll keep touching sprite 2, not touching sprite 1. So again go to motion, go to random position. After the coin touches the sprite 1, again you need to go to a random position and you need to set the degrees to 180. So now we have got our coin from up, so let's test it. As you can see, when the coin is touching the circle, the coin is changing, and also the score is changing. Sorry, not the coin, the score is changing. And now we'll create a creative backdrop. So what we can create for money? We don't have any backdrop for money. What we can create? So let's keep a green color background. Maybe keep a big green color background. I am not getting any ideas. So keep a green color backdrop. If you get any ideas, you can do that. And now let's play our game. So do double click your score. Do green flag. Oh, I have a problem now. The coin, the coin is going back of the circle. I want to keep front. So doing that, go to looks. What we can go to front. 99 layers. 99. Oh, what happened? 99 layers, hit and enter, and click on green flag. Now as you can see, we have got our coin collecting from our box collecting coins. So in this game we have learned the operations and the broadcasting of messages, and creating sprites, and controls, how to control left and right arrow. Oh, why does my score not working? So let's see what happened. Oh, we need to change this to score, and now let's play. Maybe it works now. As you can see, my score is working right now. I have collected 4 coins. We also learned how to create a variable, and also this is a basic type of game. If you are creative on these blocks, you can create more games than them. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to click on notification bell so that you'll get an instant notification. Until then, thank you and bye.